I worked as a baker's apprentice when I was about 21 in North Carolina, and it was a seasonal place. So in the off season, I just continued making cakes on my own, and there was nothing I said no to, even if I had never done it before. No matter what the cake was, I just said yes, and I still work that way. I say yes all the time to orders that I've never done, and I just figure it out and make it happen. I like starting with raw ingredients, just stuff, and creating something out of it. So that's the baking part I love. I'm a cake decorator as well. And I like to finish cakes and how they look when they're finished, usually. But I enjoy baking and creating things with my hands. The hard part is building it, constantly working and building it and trying to get my name out there and get my product out there and get people to notice it. And usually when they taste it, they like it, so that I get good reactions most of the time. You know, not everything is a success, but that's how you learn from failures. So the easy part, the business part of it is easy for me. The baking, the creating stuff, the setup, it's not hard. The hard part is like sticking with it, you know. It gets lonely and it's a lot of work.